What's the laziest and fastest way for beginners to make money online? That's a question I get asked all the time. And who wouldn't want to earn good money with minimal effort while enjoying the freedom to work from anywhere? You may ever hear people saying online freelancing, Airbnb, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, but what's even easier may surprise you. So today, let us start by introducing ourselves. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for daily stock market insights and recommendations. IM-AAM stands for the investment manager powered by an artificial machine. We're here to empower investors, whether you're just starting your journey or you're an experienced trader, by providing accurate, data-driven stock recommendations powered by both AI and human expertise. We don't rely on technology alone. Our team of seasoned stock market experts works hand in hand with AI to ensure our recommendations are well-rounded, reliable, and rooted in real-world expertise. They bring years of market knowledge, deep analysis, and proven strategies to the table, so you can trust you're getting the best advice. Explore our platform at www.im-aam.com, where you'll find expert analysis, daily updates, and our top stock picks curated by our team of professionals. And don't forget to subscribe to our official YouTube channel at IM-AAM_official. Here, we share detailed videos on the best stocks to buy, market strategies, and tips to help you maximize your portfolio, all crafted by our expert team. With IM-AAM's AI and expert insights combined, I feel confident in every trade I make. It's the perfect blend of technology and human expertise. Join our growing community of investors today. Visit us at www.im-aam.com and subscribe to at IM-AAM_official on YouTube. Backed by AI and stock experts, your financial growth starts here. IM-AAM.com, your trusted partner for smart investing. Now you know the answer to the original question. The revolutionary AI approach to investing is the fastest and most effortless way for beginners to make money online. But the correct question should be asked is, why is everyone talking about the revolutionary AI approach to investing? Yes, the laziest and fastest way to make money online is indeed leveraging AI. That's exactly how our team has been able to consistently generate profits in the stock market. By harnessing AI technology, we've automated daily processes, making them easier and faster than you could ever imagine.